Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about why Amazon might not be your best bet when starting out looking for an affiliate program. But before we get on to all of that, I would like to quickly welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. So if you enjoy today's video, please do subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week. Okay, let's move on to today's topic, why Amazon might not be your best bet when starting out looking for an affiliate program. For anyone starting out online, looking for ways to make extra money, my personal recommendation would be to start with affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, your job is to send people to someone else's product, and if they end up buying, you get paid a commission. When first starting out as an affiliate, many people will use a site like Amazon or one of the many big retailers online. The problem is, most of these big retailers will only pay a small commission, maybe 5 to 10%. As an affiliate, if you're promoting a product that costs $100, you need to make a lot of sales to make a worthwhile amount if your commission is only 5 to 10%. So what's the alternative? First of all, let's talk about how you actually go about finding affiliate partners. If we use Amazon as an example, it's really quite simple. You would go to their website and look for their affiliate page, then sign up. However, the problem here, as I mentioned earlier, is small commissions. Okay, so what about partnering with one of the many smaller companies or individual entrepreneurs online who are more likely to pay you bigger commissions, sometimes as much as 50% or higher? Well, if you want to do this, here are a few things you might want to consider. Start by looking for affiliate partners who operate in a niche that is of interest to you and make a list. It might be a good idea to join their email list and pay attention to how they actually go about marketing their products. Try and find out as much as you can about the products they offer and whether or not they are the kind of products you'd be happy to sell. If they are a good fit, then you need to find out if they are willing to accept you as an affiliate. Now, all this may seem like a lot of hard work, and yes it is, but you need to know these things. Many of these online entrepreneurs, particularly those who will pay decent commission rates, won't actually partner with new affiliates. It's simply too risky for them, and they just don't have the time to train up new affiliates. So for you as a new affiliate, what is the answer? Well, fortunately, I do have a solution. In my humble opinion, my mentor and partner Dean Holland and his company Internet Profits tick all the right boxes when it comes to looking for a good affiliate partner. Now, if you look below this video, you'll see a link where you can register for a free online training video where Dean, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will explain the 4 core areas you need to focus on to grow a profitable affiliate business. During his free presentation, Dean will reveal how you can get yourself a free copy of his new book, The Iceberg Effect. This book outlines Dean's highly successful and revolutionary approach to building a sustainable and highly profitable internet business as an affiliate marketer in today's economy. Inside this book, you will find out how you can partner with Dean and promote all his products that pay commissions at all rates, up to thousands of dollars. Dean also provides his partners with extensive training to help them succeed. Now, I'm not going to go into all of that in this video. The idea behind this video was simply to give you some ideas when it comes to finding a good affiliate partner, especially when just starting out. Having said that, if you want to find out more about Dean and his affiliate program, then you can register for the free training video by clicking the link below. Even if you decide not to get a copy of his book, the video is well worth a look as it will show you the 4 core areas you need to focus on as an affiliate. This information alone could save you a lot of wasted time and money, as you will at least know the areas you need to focus on when growing your affiliate business. Now, just a quick disclaimer. I am an affiliate partner of Dean's and as such will be compensated if you do decide at some point to purchase any of his products through my links. But the training video you're signing up for, if you click the link below, is completely free with no obligation to buy anything else. I do highly recommend Dean and I believe he's one of the most trustworthy internet marketers online, and he is one of the very best at providing his clients with all the help they need to succeed, and as such I would suggest you at least take a look at his free online video. Okay, if you enjoyed this short video, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video, as I do appreciate your feedback. If you'd like to watch more videos on affiliate marketing, then please do subscribe to my channel by clicking the button where it says subscribe, then clicking the bell symbol, and then clicking where it says all. This will turn on your notifications so YouTube will notify you when I release a new video. Thank you.